Heroin was once a cough medicine. Today, heroin is known as one of the most dangerous drugs in the world, but surprisingly, it was once used as medicine. In 1898, the German company Bayer introduced two new drugs. One was aspirin, the other was heroin. Doctors believed heroin was a powerful cough suppressant. It was especially used to treat severe coughing in tuberculosis patients. Old advertisements even said, heroin for coughs and aspirin for headaches. It was even used in medicine for children. The name heroin also has an interesting origin. It comes from the word hero, because the drug made people feel strong and powerful. But later doctors discovered a serious problem. Heroin was extremely addictive. By the early 20th century, many countries banned it. A medicine once sold in pharmacies became one of the most dangerous drugs in the world.